and welcome to YOUCANIC. On this video we're going to explain how to remove the clock spring on this Mercedes. Here we have a C-Class. This is the W204 chassis, and the first thing you'll do is disconnect the battery because not only it could be dangerous because the airbag can deploy and injure you while you're working on the car, but also you end up triggering the airbag light if you accidentally turn on the ignition while all these wires are disconnected. So the best thing to do is disconnect the battery first. Then on this vehicle you have Torx bolts T25s, one here, one here. Now on newer models you do not have these holes on the back, but you'll notice there's little indents right on the side of the battery. You actually will puncture those. You'll punch those holes with your screwdriver, and then you'll push on the screwdriver. You push on the spring on this side, and that releases the airbag. But in this case, two T25 bolts on each side. Once you get those loose, carefully remove the airbag. Here you have two connectors. You press on the clips on each side and then pull those out. Now we do have for all these steps that I'm going over, we have individual videos and instructions, so make sure to follow our step-by-step guides for each of these parts if you need help. So once you remove the airbag, the next thing, you have a bolt right here that holds the steering wheel, and this is a Allen or a hex bolt, 10mm, so you need the Allen wrench there to remove that. And you want to make sure that you are holding the steering wheel while you break loose that bolt, because you don't want to put all the pressure or steering lock down there. Then once you remove that, you simply come in here and just pull this out. Now it is important to make a mark on the steering column and the steering wheel, so you put the steering wheel in the exact same position. Otherwise you'll put it at an angle and your steering wheel will be off center while you're driving down the road. And here we have the clock spring, and this is pretty simple. It just simply pulls out, and then on the back here we have a connector. We have disconnected this already, but you can see the connector here. It has a locking tab right there. You need to remove this plastic piece that goes here first, and then you'll press on that and pull out, and there is your clock spring and also your steering angle sensor. You'll install the new one in reverse order. Thanks for watching.